In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. First, sign in to your Google Analytics account. On any screen, look to the bottom left corner and open the admin area by clicking the gear icon. This is where all property-level settings live, so it's the right place to manage tags and data collection. Before going further, make sure you're working in the correct GA4 property. In the admin view, check the property selector at the top of the middle column. If you manage multiple sites or environments, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one to avoid copying the wrong tag. Now, in that same property column, find and open data streams. Depending on your layout, it might appear under Data Collection and Modification. This page lists the streams that feed data into your property. Choose the web data stream for your website. You'll typically see your site's domain and, if applicable, a note indicating whether it has received traffic in the past 48 hours. Click the stream name to open its details. On the Web Stream Details page, look to the top right. You'll see your measurement ID, which starts with GE. This ID is often all you need for integrations like certain CMS plugins or when configuring Google Tag Manager. Keep it handy. If you need the full JavaScript snippet to place directly on your site, scroll to the bottom of this page to the Google Tag section. Click View Tag Instructions. In the panel that appears, select Install Manually. You'll now see the complete gtag.js code block, labeled as the Google tag. Click inside that code area to highlight it, then copy it. A quick implementation tip: paste this snippet into the head section of every page you want to track, ideally as high as possible, and ensure it loads on all templates. Avoid adding the tag multiple times, as duplicate tags can inflate your metrics. If your site uses a global header file or site-wide header setting, place it there so it's applied consistently. After publishing, give Analytics a few minutes, then check real-time reports to confirm data is flowing. That's it. You accessed admin, verified the correct GA4 property, opened data streams, selected your web stream, noted the measurement ID, and revealed the full gtag.js code via View Tag Instructions and Install Manually. With your code copied, you're ready to install and start tracking accurately.